And smiles everyone, Colleen here. So today I got a Temu haul for you. It's a bit smaller haul, but I think I got some really nice things, and it is all craft related, this haul. So I'm gonna just jump right in. First, I got some more fabric, and this pack here I got, and doesn't tell me on here how many is in here, but these are 20 by 20. So I wanted some blacks. I didn't really have much for blacks, so I got some blacks. So the 20 and 20 is about that size, so it's a good size. I'm gonna be able to make a few things with this. So I got the stripes, and then we have some polka dots. Polka dots are always nice to layer with, I find. So the polka dots, so that's 1, 2, and then we've got this lovely floral. I'm counting them as we go because I can't remember how many were in here. Oh, and some lovely stars. So that's 4. And then some more floral, 5, and some gingham, 6. So there's 7, it looks like. So they're all very nice, and I know I can layer these really well, especially with the grays that I had gotten. So that's just a bigger polka dot than this polka dot here. So there's 7 of them here. I'm not going to give you prices because, as I always say, prices vary so much because this is a worldwide company. So country to country, all the prices are going to vary. But I will say that their prices are unbeatable, really. They're very good prices. Okay, and then the next pack I got were these ones. And these are just 10 by 10, and there's a variety here. And we'll count these because I can't remember how many are in this pack. Okay, so we got this really pretty floral. And then we got the leopard print. And then we've got stars. So that star is, some of these might repeat in the bigger pack that I got. And then, oh, that's really pretty in the browns. Oh, they gave me a bonus, it looks like. I got another little piece of that one. So, oh, I forgot to count. 1, 2, 3, 4 with a bonus. And then that one is 5. Oh, this one's really pretty with the gray roses. So that's 6. Oh, and I like this. 2. 7. This is more like a quilty look to it. Ooh, they're wrinkled though. 7, 8 with umbrellas. Some more polka dots in the brown. So that's 9. And then some more bigger stars. And this is actually a navy. So that's 10. So it looks like there's 12 in this one. And then these last 2 are navy. So that's a nice variety for sure. I'm going to enjoy using those for fabric flips and such. Those will work really nice. And then I got one last pack, and they are 10 by 10 too. But they're browns. So I got... There's the floral one, some polka dots, 1, 2, I think this is a 7 pack. And then some darker polka dotted 1, 3. And then this one. And then this is a repeat one, but that's okay. I really like that pattern. Yeah, there's 7 in this pack. And then this polka dot one. Oh, I like that a lot with the different colored polka dots. That's going to coordinate with many different fabrics. And then the umbrella, which we did see in the other pack too. So those are the fabrics I got this time. So I'm thinking I better get busy and make some fabric covers for sure. I also have some thoughts on some things that I want to make that isn't journal related with the fabrics. Okay, and then I got these here, and these are washable pen. They're for marking your fabric, is what they're for. If you want to have a measurement with your fabric, you can just, and it will wash completely off. Oh, please try with a piece of wasted cloth before using. Ha! This is really cute. Please take off a cap with hands, not with mouth. That's very cute. So that's what they look like. And then it's just, it looks like an ordinary marker, but it's for sewing. So it came in a pack of 2, so I got a couple of those. I had one of these a long time ago, but I can't find it. Okay, and then I got some more charms. And again, the prices were so good on these charms that I ended up getting quite a few different ones. And there is 40 in this pack, and it's leaves. Oh, those are pretty. And leaves, like, they will go with so many different types of journals for sure. Okay, so, and they're all silver and all the same. Oh yes, these ones I thought were really cool. And this is a 20 piece, but what is, I'll show you here. Lovely look at these. So look at that. So it's a hand, right? And then you could make tassels and all kinds of things. And the hand is holding the ring. Isn't that just the coolest? I seen those and thought, oh, I got to give those a try. So there's a 20, I got a 20 pack of these. I'm going to enjoy working with those, I'm sure. Positive, actually. Okay, and then these, and I think this is like a 12, maybe 12, or 10 or 12 piece, but this is just a shape, a design, but they're really pretty. Swirls, different swirls. So they're all the same color. They're all silver. And then I thought these were going to be charms, but they ended up, they're beads. So I think there's 10. Oh, more than 10, probably 2, 3, 4, 6. There's probably 20 in here. But these actually ended up, they're beads, and I thought for sure they had said they were charms, but that's okay. I love them. They're going to work just fine. Aren't those pretty? You know, for a bead, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous bead. For sure. So that's what I got in the charm bead arena. Okay, and then I found this spray bottle, and I loved it. It comes in 3 sizes, actually. There's a smaller one, this one. I think there is even a larger one. But what I really like about it, I had already put some water in it, is the mist is so fine that comes out of it. So this is going to work great in the craft room. Highly recommend this bottle. I will for sure put all the links below. So if you're interested in any of these things, you can go check it out. I think these might have been sold for like olive oils type of thing. So a kitchen item. But I just loved the look of what the spray would be like. And it turned out to be a really nice misty spray, and that's what I was looking for. So I was so happy to find that. And then the last thing I got was some glue, and this is B7000. So I use E6000 all the time. I use it on metals and woods, and you can still use it on fabric. You can use it on paper, but it's a really tough glue. The only thing is it does smell quite a bit, so I just got a small one of these to see what they were like, if they were similar to that, because it says that it will work with all those different things like metal and wood and so forth. But what was nice is it has a very precisioned, look at that, tip to it, and then of course it comes with the pin. And yeah, it does have that unique smell, unfortunately. Yeah, it smells a lot like the E6000, but what's really nice is this tip, and you get the pin to put in it. And for that precision work, I think that's going to work really nice. So we'll work with this for a while, and we'll see if we like it, and I'll let you know how it all turns out. So that is all I got in this haul this time. Like I said, I got some really cute things and some very useful things, and I hope that you have a wonderful and lovely day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help the channel to grow and our community to grow. And if you press that notification bell, it'll let you know when I'm putting up a new video. So I want you all to have a crafty day. Bye for now.